In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in a Wrike post or comment. Whether you're collaborating on projects or simply wish to notify a team member, tagging ensures that the right people receive the information they need in a timely manner. Let's dive in and walk you through each step to make this process a smooth experience. To start, you'll want to access your Wrike account and navigate to the Kanban project management section. This is where you'll manage your tasks and see your workflow. If you're not familiar with the Kanban view, it's simply a way of visualizing tasks to help improve efficiency. A lot of users find it incredibly helpful because it gives a clear overview of task progression, so I definitely recommend getting comfortable with it if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll want to click on the highlight feature. This feature is a handy tool that lets you focus on specific aspects of your projects, making it easier to manage what's important at any given moment. If your team uses several highlights or tags, this is especially useful because it keeps everything organized and in perspective. Next up, click on the project that you're working on. This is a straightforward step that essentially allows Wrike to know where you want to perform your next actions. After selecting your project, you'll notice various options depending on your project setup and permissions. Here's where the action picks up. Click on the number 1 to indicate the particular task or message you're focusing on. If there are multiple tasks open, this will help differentiate and direct your focus to the task that needs attention. Now move on to typing in the highlight that you wish to tag. It's much like adding a hashtag, a very intuitive step that lets you attach specific information or keywords to your task. This ensures that when the notification goes out, it's clear what the context is. From here, you'll see an option to click on My Team. This is important because we're now specifying the group or individual to notify. Teams vary in size. Some might have a few members, while others are larger, so be sure to select the correct team to ensure everyone stays in the loop. Now, click on @MyTeam to tag your selected team. This is the tagging action that sends a notification directly to them, ensuring that your message doesn't get lost in translation or sandwiched between other updates. With just a simple click, everyone you select is part of the conversation. Finally, click on Share and Send. This crucial step confirms the action, ensuring that your tagged post or comment is distributed accordingly. By doing this, you've completed the tagging process efficiently and effectively. Now you can keep your team informed, engaged, and ready to collaborate efficiently. I hope you found this guide helpful and manage your Wrike projects even more smoothly.